Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair, that is Praveen Nair, this is Kiara Nair, and that's the gorgeous Kiara Nair. So today we're going to be doing a health-free dessert for the complete family.
This is damn cool, and this does not put you out of the keto or the plan that you're following, which means that you can eat this and completely guilt-free.
Only the option what you have to stick to it is we have used a maple syrup so that if somebody who's a vegan can also opt for this. Somebody who's following ketosis will have to just stick to stevia powder.
Alright, that's cool. Before we move on furthermore, you want to make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, that you always get to know about our new videos coming for you guys.
Something what we all love it.
Let's go and see. 1 cup almond flour, 4 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, peanut butter, creamy, coconut flakes, pink salt, stevia powder, Lindt 90%, and lastly a baking dish. First, in a bowl, we're going to take almond flour, to that I'm going to add coconut oil, and now mix this really well. Now we're going to add a pinch of Himalayan salt. Next, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. We're going to mix this and put the same on the baking dish. Done. Now we're going to put in the oven for next 10 to 15 minutes and bake the same. And we are going to put the same in the baking dish for next 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. First, 2 tablespoons coconut oil. To the coconut oil I'm going to add now 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. Next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, and lastly I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a pinch of salt, and I'm going to mix it till it becomes in a desired thin consistency, and it's done. And our almond base is done. That means we're going to have a crunchy chocolate. And now we're going to put the peanut butter sauce, what we made, on the Twix bar. Now I'm going to add some coconut flakes. Put the same in the refrigerator for the next 30 minutes.
So you can melt it in such a way that the chocolate becomes so much thin in consistency.
Also optional, if you don't like it really bitter, like we like bitter chocolate, you can add half a teaspoon stevia to the same.
Exactly. So we've used about 90 pound chocolate on this one, dark chocolate.
And once our chocolate is melted, we're going to add it over our bar marination.
In the preparation, we haven't used much of sugar. Generally, we use stevia in all the preparation, but we have used less of stevia, keeping it more kind of a diet. but it's completely personal choice that if you wish to have a little more taste of the sugar, you shall use some good amount of stevia into the preparation.
Our guilt-free chocolate bars are ready.
Alright, this is awesome guys, and we got about more than 250 videos on our channel. We got videos on everything. We got on information, train to look good program, that's about high intensity interval program, and some amazing recipes. These are the few things that you need to keep yourself really fit, and we got some amazing recipes for the kids too. So alright, before we go ahead more further in detail about the next videos, what do you do that? Share the channel with your friends and family that they get an amazing channel with a lot of informations. We will see you in the next video. Till the time, you take care, and it's bye from the family of Nairs.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.